Find two consecutive integers such that the square of the sum of the two integers is 11 more than the lesser integer. If we have two consecutive integers, then let's let x be equal to the lesser integer. Then, since these are consecutive integers, x plus 1 will be equal to the greater integer. Now let's use the information that we're given to create or write an equation. So we know that the square of the sum of the two integers, so we will find the sum of the two integers, which is x plus 1, and then we have the square of that, is, so we have equals 11 more than, so we have 11 plus the lesser integer. The lesser integer is x. So we have an equation, x plus 1 all squared is equal to 11 plus x. Now let's solve this equation for x. We'll do that by first simplifying the left side. Inside parentheses, by combining like terms, we have 2x plus 1. We square that, and that is equal to 11 plus x. Squaring the left side, we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 11 plus x. Now we'll subtract 11 and subtract x from both sides of the equation in order to isolate all terms on the left side. When we do that, we have 4x squared plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Factoring the left side, we have 4x minus 5 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we'll use the zero factor property in order to solve. So we have 4x minus 5 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. Solving the first equation, we add 5 to both sides, and then we divide both sides by 4 to get x equals 5/4. And solving the second equation, we subtract 2 from both sides to get x equals -2. If x is equal to 5/4, then x is not an integer. X is a rational number, but it's not an integer. We're looking for integers only, and so we reject that solution. And we instead look at our solution, x equals -2. If x equals -2, then the greater integer will be -2 plus 1, or -1. So the two integers are -2 and -1. We can check that this is the case. We have two consecutive integers, and the square of the sum of the two integers, so let's find that. -2 plus -1 is -3. -3 squared is 9. So that 9 is 11 more than the lesser integer. The lesser integer is -2. When we add 11, we do get 9, and so the conditions are met, and our two integers are correct, -2 and -1.